floor, please.
6, please, thanks.
What are you doing?
Just going floor 4.
You don't push the buttons. I push the buttons. Only I push the buttons. I'm the one who pushes the buttons.
All right,
you
man,
push the
calm
buttons.
down, man.
Think about what happens. You push the buttons, you could break a fingernail. Because the buttons are lit, and they could get hot. And your fingerprints could burn away, gone, right off.
Okay, that's not gonna happen. I mean, it wasn't really that hot. I'm fine.
Do you not comprehend the danger of pushing the buttons?
I think it's okay, man.
It's not okay. It's not okay, man.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. I apologize.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't ever touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch my buttons!
Okay.
Don't ever touch my buttons!
I'm sorry. No, that doesn't mean they're hot. It's
Fingertips
just a
and your
light.
fingernails right off! You!